Christmas Eve. It's Christmas Eve. Which is best, I wonder? Christmas Eve or Christmas Day? Presents or expecting presents? Who knows? Whee! Woohoo! Woohoo! Ah, that's the one. Perfect. Come on. Come on. Ooh. Yes.
Hello, Kipper.
Hello, Pig. Hello, Arnold. Do you like my Christmas tree?
Yeah. Do you want a hand with it?
Ready? Pull!
What do you want from Father Christmas, Kipper?
I'm not sure. I can't think what to ask for. I can never seem to think of anything. But I always like what I get when I see what I've got. I always think, yes, that's exactly what I wanted. It's funny. How do you think he does?
I know what I want. I want a new bike. I want a torch, the sort you can clip on your head. I want Adam Android. I want the Adam Android play pack and the toolkit droid. I want some chocolate hogs. I want a rainbow whizzer, the one with the bubblizer. I want one of those swirly things that climb downstairs. You mustn't open that until tomorrow, Arnold.
Too late. Happy Christmas, Arnold. The red nose lights up, and it flashes too. Oh, no. I forgot to get the batteries.
Arnold doesn't mind. Do you, Arnold? You lucky thing, Arnold. I wish I had one. Oh, that reminds me. I haven't wrapped up your present yet, Kipper. I'd better go home and do it. Is it all right if I leave Arnold with you for a bit?
Of course. He can help me to decorate the Christmas tree. Can't you, Arnold? What have we got left? What should we put on the top, Arnold? A snowman? Or a star? Or something else? Oops! Are you all right, Arnold? Clever old you, Arnold. It's just right.
Hello, Kipper. I've come to wish you a happy Christmas and give you this.
Oh, thanks, Tig.
And this. Merry Christmas.
You wait, Tiger.
Oh,
Whoops. Sorry, Pig.
are you all right, Pig? Sorry, it's a bit lumpy. I'm not very good at wrapping things up.
Oh, I like lumpy presents. It makes you wonder what's inside.
Come on then, Arnold. It's getting late. Say goodbye to Kipper.
Merry Christmas, Arnold.
Merry Christmas, Kipper. Merry Christmas, Kipper.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, everyone. Look out for Father Christmas.
Keep up, Arnold.
I think Christmas Eve is best. One more for the reindeer. Because Father Christmas hasn't come yet. I wonder how many reindeer there are. Plus, you've still got all your presents to open. To Father Christmas. Anything, please. Thank you. Love from Kipper. I'm not sleepy. I'm not sleepy at all.